Hello guys, welcome back. It's been a years. I haven't posting any video in this channel, and I hope you guys didn't mad. Well, no one view my video, but oh well. Anyway, today, as the title said, I'm gonna teach you, not teach, but more like sharing how I make this Lumine hair clip. Lumine from Genshin Impact, and yes, I play that game, but I'm not a many, but I'm not continuously play that game. So yeah, you're gonna really see me there. Anyway, yeah, I'm making this Lumine hair clip. Yeah, Lumine hair clip in her hair, her flower in here, and yes, I'm going to teach you. I'm going to share how I make my own version of this hair clip. Uh, Please be aware that this video I'm just sharing how my version goes. If you wanna change the size of the flower or something like that, I think yeah, go ahead. I'm just showing you how to make it. Anyway, okay, without further ado, I'm gonna tell everything that you need. First, of course, you need scissors, and then lighter, and then needle and thread. I like if my flower got sewn is I like my flower got sewn instead of get glue gun. I just think it's more beautiful if I sew it by myself. And then we have I don't know what the English word is.
Hi there. Anything Hifumi here, and I just want to say that the fabric name is felt fabric. Yes, the fabric for dolls, that the cheap one. Anyway, moving on.
Yeah, that's the name. And then we have the ribbons, blue, and also the white. So before that, I just noticed from her image, it's supposed to be one flower is the blue, not two. So this version I'm gonna make the two flowers with one blue. Okay, so yeah, I have blue one and also the white one. In this tutorial, I'm using the sorry, I'm using 3 centimeter perhaps. Yeah, I'm using 2 centimeters. This is 2 centimeters, but I think this is more smaller, but smaller around. Oh yeah, both of them are 2 centimeters. Yeah, I'm gonna use this ribbon for this tutorial, and then glue guns to piece them together, and then oh sorry, I'm using glue gun to piece the flower and also the clip. Yeah, so yeah, in this version I'm gonna make a clip one, and then I have the ah, I have the wait, do you see this? I have the some pearls. Yeah, I have some pearls for the flowers, and of course last is the clip, the hair clip. Any kind of clip do you need. In this tutorial, I'm using a 8 centimeters clip, just regular clip, nothing fancy for this tutorial. Okay, without further ado, let's go start this tutorial.
Okay, now what we're going to do first is cutting all the ribbons, starting with my blue one because the blue one is smaller in piece. No, not smaller in piece. I mean, I only need to cut 2 blue ribbons because each flower have only one petals, the blue petals. I cut it for 8 centimeters. All the ribbon you need, it's 8 centimeter. Okay. Yeah, after I cut it, I put fire on it to prevent fire. Ribbons like this tends to easy to fray, and it's gonna slow you down. Not only slow you down, but it's gonna be annoying for you if you're also a first timer making something like this. And then after I cutting my blue ribbon, I also cut my white ribbons. I cut it 8 pieces because I only use 4 for each flowers, just like in reference picture. And I also cut it in 8 centimeter, just like I said in first. All the ribbons should be cut for 8 centimeters length. After you cut it, also don't forget to fry it as well to prevent frays. And also some advice, if you're using more wider flowers, I think you should add more length for your ribbons. Like, I don't know, if in your place have maybe bigger size, like 6 centimeter wide, maybe you need more longer, maybe like 12 or something. I don't know, I haven't tried it. I only all this time I only use this size because only this that available in my place. Okay, after fray it, let's go to the next things.
Okay, now we go to the hardest part. So we have the ribbon, right? So how to make the flower is first, fold your ribbon like this, okay, and then put this ribbon here. Oh, I make a mistake, sorry, that's too ugly. So in order not to make your flower like that, push it more until you see this line, you know, this one look familiar with this one. So yeah, anyway, and then clip and then fold it like this, and now it's beautiful. Okay, and then after you clip it, like after you make it something like this, burn it. Okay, burn it down. So voila, it's got clipped down. Okay, I'm gonna try to explain it for the second time. So this ribbon, fold it like this, okay, and then fold it like this. That's it. Okay, that's beautiful one. So I'm gonna try to make another one, make one mistake again. Wait, okay. Oh, it's not. Oh, yeah. Okay, this one. I'm gonna make a mistake in this one. So yeah, it's folded like this, right? If when you fold it like this, it looks like this. It's not beautiful like this, right? Just push it right here, okay, and then try to fold it like this in here, okay. Yeah, it's bad. So just push it until to several area until it looks okay, it looks beautiful.
And that's it. I just gave up. I don't know what I'm going to say that time. I'm very sleepy. I just make this video at 2 a.m. in my city. Anyway, yeah, that is how you make the petals. You just fold it and then flip it and then burn it down the edges. So not only to prevent the fray right now, but also to try to glue them together. So it's gonna help you very much during the next step that very tedious. So yeah, take your thread and then how bind it bind it in the back, okay, just like I show you previously, and then sew it in like that, you know, like sew it like that with in the middle, just only three sew, yeah, only three sew like that. So there's so you can make some effect that it was flower when it's finished, you know. Yeah, sew all of your flowers like this, just sew it, and then after you finish, okay, after you finish with this, then gather them up until make it cycle, and then sew it like that. Yeah, gather them up and then sew it like that, and make sure that your flower become titty. Anyway, before you see a disaster after this, I just want to say sewing in front of your phone camera is really hard. I'm very struggling, and I don't think I make a good job of it. Anyway, you already see the effect, right? Okay, after you sew them, sew the gems, I don't know I think it's called the gem. Sew it twice. Don't do what I do here, because if you do not sew the gem twice, it's gonna be moving around a lot, and I make a very huge mistake in here. Yeah, just sew it twice before you add another gems on it. Okay, don't do what I said. Don't do what I do. Just do what I said. So yeah, sew them in. Don't forget sew the gem twice like this. And then after you sew them, you have to bind it. I'm gonna show you how to bind it. I mean, bind the sewing. I forgot to mention how to lock the needle up. So just do this. Okay. In the back, just take the dang needle and then push it out. And then push it out again. Oh God, what have I done? Okay, push it out. In this, I also want to fix this because I don't like the blue. It's too you know. Now the blue is on her place. So okay, I'm gonna seal it up with the same way, which is I make a loop and then I put the needle inside the loop and then I pull it in. That's it. That's how I seal it. I'm gonna reseal it twice for safety, and then it's done. And then just cut it. Okay. And the flower is done. I'm gonna be right back with another one. See ya for real this time. And welcome back, and as you can see, I have two flowers now, and then there's my clip and my felt and then my glue gun. Just now glue gun all of them in here. Okay, when you're using glue gun, wait until it's very hot, or you may going to make a mistake like this. I mean, like, I use it after I think it's just hot. I think it's already good to use, and then because of that, my flowers get fall over like this. The glue doesn't stick because it's still half cold, half hot. So that's why it doesn't stick. And then I make another mistake here, another disaster where the flowers doesn't look like I want it. So I have to take it off and then burn it. Burn the back that's already in bean glue so the glue can melt. Anyway, yeah, now put it the flower to the clip like that, and then after that you're gonna focus to glue the felt on the clip like that. Yeah, so so glue them and then cut them, or better cut them first and then glue them. I'm just too lazy around this time. I just want it to be finished because I am so sleepy that time. That was my mistake. I know, I am so sorry. And then glue them up, and then make sure it's steady, and yes, you get your hair clip, your Lumine hair clip. I hope this tutorial helpful. Maybe if you guys interested, I can help you make some tutorial how to make some cosplay accessories like this. And yes, I do not cosplay anymore, but I enjoy sewing and making something like this. I hope this helped, and see you later.